What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another Master Blasters TV YouTube video. We are going to be heading over to Alex's and we're going to be ripping down there. Hopefully it should be a good time. All right. So the first thing we do before we head over to Alex's is we got to get some petrol for this thing. It likes to suck fuel down and we need gas in her. So it is really starting to come down now. You can't even look up there. It's crazy out here. It is like a blizzard. Oh, he's getting down. He's getting down. Oh, run her out. It is slick. Oh, hell yes, people. Welcome to Master Blasters. Oh, you get turned. We're out here, dude. Look how bad it is up there. That is insane. You can't even see that car. It is literally a winter wonderland out here, people. Got the Polaris Sportsman. It's snowing like crazy out here. Look at that. Beautiful. Uh-oh. He's just letting her warm up. Hell yeah. Look at him rip. Dude, it's snowing way worse. We went out for a second. It looked like the blast got a throttle kick. Here he comes, ladies. Whoa! Look, old boy in the mail truck here. Looks like he might be stuck. No way. Nope, he's not stuck. He made her out. Here's the prize possession for summer. Oh, yes. bet, dude. What is it like?
117.
Negative or something
You
out
can feel
here?
the heat rising a little bit up. Oh yeah, it's look outside. It's freezing cold.
Yeah, dude. It's almost like it's got two-step. We got a 2JZ. Hell yeah. This is a bad girl. This is a bad girl right here. Kawasaki z1000, what? 03?
Z1000, 2003.
She rips. This is the definition of a ripper. It may be the tour option, but how fast you got? Like 173?
Yep. 173 is fast.
On a tour.
That's fast.
That is fast, ladies and gentlemen.
Especially on the shitty ass roads in Illinois. Because they don't fucking do nothing with our tax money.
He is right. We ride on basically gravel roads around here.
We need a fucking new government, folks.
Here's the Z1000, folks. Yes, sir.